Welcome back to my channel MCQ with Tuktuk. In today's video, we shall see 35 important MCQ on Excel chart. This MCQ will be helpful for any upcoming government examinations and interviews also. Let's start without wasting our time. Our first question: which tab is used to insert a chart in Excel? To insert a chart in Excel, we have to use the Insert tab. This is the insert option that you can see. We have to use this option to insert a chart. It is very easy and most of you know that. Our next question: which type of chart is best for showing the trends over time in Excel? To show trends over time in Excel, that is, after 1 year, what happened, after 2 years, what happened, that we can show using a line chart. This way we can show using a line chart that you can see in the image here. Our next question: in Excel, which chart type is best suited for showing proportions of a whole? Proportions of a whole means, suppose there are 10 organizations or 10 competitors of a product or 10 institutes. Which institute is capturing what share in the market? We can show it using a pie chart that shows better. So our answer is pie chart. Here you can see here which percentage is taken by whom, and you can design it by giving the percentage and everything by adding levels, which we'll see later on. Our next question: which chart type uses bars to compare values across categories? Which chart use bars? There are two types of chart that uses bar, that are column chart and bar chart. So our answer is both of them. You can see here the column chart and you can see here the bar chart. So that there are two types of chart that shows this way. One is column, it shows here horizontally, and one is there which will show you vertically. Our next question: which chart type is most suitable for showing continuous data like scientific experiments? That is a scattered chart that you can see in the image. That is a scattered chart. Our next question: what is the default chart type in Excel when you press Alt F1? The default chart type whenever you press Alt F1, that is column chart. Our next question: which key combination insert a chart into a new worksheet in Excel? The right answer is F11. When you press F11, the chart will be inserted into a new worksheet in Excel. Our next question: which part of the chart displays the values represented graphically? To show graphically, that is the plot area. The plot area will display the chart graphically. This is called the plot area, that you can see the bars here. Question number 9. In Excel, which chart element identifies the patterns or colors used for different data series? That is the legends. These are called the legends, and this will show you by different colors. Our next question: what is the purpose of data level in Excel chart? The purpose of the data levels in Excel chart is to display the exact value. Our next question, question number 11, which feature allow you to switch rows and columns in a chart? That is, switch rows and columns. This option, switch rows and columns, will help you to switch the rows and columns. Our next question, which chart type is best suited for showing cumulative values? To show cumulative values, we will use area chart. This is the chart that is called area chart. Our next question, which option is used to add titles to access in Excel chart? That is our layout tab. Our next question, in Excel, which chart type displays data using 3 dimensions? To display data using 3 dimensions, we have to use 3D columns. What does the Select Data option in Excel allow you to do? It helps us to modify the chart source range. Our next question, which option in Excel lets you change a chart from column to pie? To change a chart from one type to another, we have to use Change Chart Type. Our next question, which chart type in Excel shows multiple data series stacked on top of one another? This option shows multiple data series stacked on top of one another. Our next question, which chart element shows horizontal and vertical lines across the plot area? That is the grid lines. These are the grid lines that you can see. Our next question, which chart type in Excel is often used to display surveys result with percentage? This is shown in a pie chart and you can give here the percentage. In Excel, which chart type can be used to plot financial data like stock highs and lows? That is the stock chart. Our next question, which option in Excel is used to move a chart to a separate worksheet? The Move Chart option allows you to move a chart to a separate worksheet. Our next question, question number 22. Which chart type in Excel allows plotting 3 variables using bubbles of different sizes? That is the bubble chart. Our next question, in Excel, which feature allows combining 2 chart types such as a column chart with a line chart? That is combination chart. Combination chart will help you to combine a line chart and a column chart or any 2 type of charts that you can design as per as your need. Our next question, what is the main advantage of using dot knot chart in Excel compared to a pie chart? It can show multiple data series, which is not possible in case of pie chart. This is the one that you can see here that can be done with the help of a dot knot. Our next question, question number 25. Which tab in Excel chart tools lets you apply predefined chart styles? Predefined chart styles can be applied using Design tab. Our next question, in Excel, which option allows saving a customized chart for future use? That is Save as Template. That will help you to reuse the same template again. Our next question, which feature in Excel charts allows displaying data values as percentage inside the chart? That is the data level. Our next question, In Excel, which element can be formatted using gradients and textures and patterns? Only one element you can format using gradients, textures and colors, that is the chart area. Our next question, question number 29. Which chart type in Excel displays the difference between actual and targeted values as shaded areas? That is the area chart. Our next question, question number 30. Which feature in Excel allows user to view detailed data when hovering over the chart elements? When you hover your mouse over the chart element, you can see the details. That is called the tooltips. This is example of a tooltip. If you take your mouse here over a chart, it will just display you the details. Question number 31. Which Excel option allows adding secondary axes for better comparison of two series? That is layout secondary axis. You can see here in the image, here the primary axis and here the secondary axis. You can add it whenever required. Our next question, question number 32. Which chart type in Excel is not recommended when categories are too many? When too many categories are there, you should not use the pie chart. See here in the example. If you have more than this, then again the chart will become very small. So it is not recommended. So pie chart is not recommended. Our next question, question number 33. In Excel, which feature lets you add a table below a chart to display exact values? That is the data table. You can see here, this is the data table that you can display to show the exact values. Our last question of this video, question number 34. Which chart type in Excel can display cyclic pattern such as seasons or months? That is the rudder chart. That's all for this video today. Thank you for watching this video. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up to this video. Thank you. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.